just in family business. Everybody sees things from their own perspective, and therefore there are conflicts. Right? Can you please tell me this mentality? Is it by birth that we have mentality, or it is being created? Oh, wonderful! And how does it? How is it created?
Circumstances.
So when I say mentality, what is that? What does it consist of?
The exposure to
Exposure. Oh, wonderful. First thing you should write on your pad, the first thing that creates our mentality is our experience, exposure. On the basis of our experiences, we decide. On the basis of the exposures, we decide, we take action. Alright? That's one. What else? What else do you consider when you are taking decisions? Because as entrepreneurs, we are supposed to take a lot of decisions.
Advice by elders or by our predecessors.
Okay.
Current situations.
Okay. अभी एग्जाम्पल दूंगा पहले मेंटालिटी बताओ, हाउ डज इट कंसिस्ट? जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल, you have seen few things happening to people if they do particular thing. So you have experience, you have exposure that okay, this is how it is going to reflect, or this is what you are going to get. So you have experience, right?
I think resourcefulness also to some extent.
That's a very powerful word, madam, resourcefulness. We will deal with it. One more thing that we know we consider while taking decision is our knowledge. And there's a difference between knowledge and experience. You know, your education, your knowledge, we consider that while taking decision. Alright. And now there is a third component which is very interesting. Third, perceptions. Perceptions. Perception तो समझते हैं ना आप लोग? Perception मतलब धारणाएं. अभी समझाते हैं. A 6 feet 4 inches guy, very well built guy, boards a bus. So the conductor approaches him, ticket, and this guy says, I don't buy tickets. And now, by looking at his personality, conductor didn't say anything. Now second day again the same person boards the bus. Now again conductor very hesitatingly asks him, ticket? I don't buy ticket. And now it happens for 3-4 days continuously. So conductor decides to join a gym. Works on himself for 3 months. And after 3 months, when this same person again boards the bus, now with some confidence, ticket? And again the same response, I don't buy ticket. And now conductor says, why? I have the pass. I have the pass. 3 महीने जिम में लगाया है. पहले पूछ लेता है. But this is how we perceive. आप समझिए? This is how we perceive. In India, we have a lot of examples of perception. If a black cat crosses the road, your vehicle will stop. But if you have a foreigner in your vehicle, he will certainly ask you, why did you stop your vehicle? You will say, oh, actually a black cat crossed the road, it was dangerous. And that person would say it was dangerous for the cat, damn it. Not for you. Because उनकी wiring ऐसे हुई नहीं है. No, sir? So perception समझे? And in India, we use a lot of perceptions in decision making. Yes, now. हम तो सरनेम के हिसाब से परसेप्शन बना लेते हैं. जो परसेप्शन बनानी है सरनेम के हिसाब से परसेप्शन है कि अगर इसका सरनेम ये है तो ये आदमी ऐसा होगा. मतलब क्या फंडामेंटल गए वाले हैं. साउथ इंडियन इंटेलिजेंट, ऑनेस्ट, वेरी गुड. नॉर्थ इंडियन डिपेंड्स. व्हाटएवर. मेरे को बताइए, इन वन फैमिली if there are 4 siblings, they are not all same, but we paint the same community with the same brush. What a mistake. Anybody with a fair color doesn't mean good person. सर पर अंग्रेज सारे समझदार ही होते हैं. क्यों? बात कर रहा हूं. But because he's a foreigner, so whatever he must be speaking must have some sense. Now, why do we believe that? Perceptions, right? तो लिखा आपने कौन सी 3 चीजें बनाती हैं? Experience, knowledge, perception. All right. I have a question. Can our perceptions be wrong?
Yes.
Wonderful. Can I ask you to please put a question mark against your perception? Our perceptions can be wrong. Watch this video. Look at the subtitles, please. Got the message?
Yes.
My suggestion to all entrepreneurs is never assume, neither good nor bad. मान के मत चलो कुछ. And that's the one of the principles Toyota follows. Don't assume.
Many companies fall because of self-reference criteria.
Sorry?
Many companies fall also because of self-reference criteria. They assume that this is.
Yes. So let's not assume. Let's not assume anything. Let's put some mind, let's think and verify. Sometimes for some entrepreneurs, especially second or third generation entrepreneurs, because they have an idea of a business and they're so passionate about that idea, they don't verify the validity of that idea, workability of that idea. But as a youngster, they're very excited about their idea and they don't verify, and then they create a lot of nuisance for themselves and people around them. So don't assume, please. Do some hard work in verifying the facts. Okay? Now, let us understand this very interesting thing. You have put a question mark against your perception? Alright. Now let's deal with the knowledge part. Let us assume that all the knowledge available in the world, available in all books, in all libraries, let us assume that all that knowledge is inside this circle. Though it cannot happen, but let us assume it. So if we assume that all the knowledge of the world is inside the circle, then what do you think? What percentage of this knowledge you and I would be having? How much you and I would be knowing? क्या लगता है? Just a fair guess.
Depends how big the circle is.
ये बता रहा हूँ ना, suppose this is the ocean of knowledge, then how much you know? If this is 100%, then what percent would you know? It would be like what? A speck. It will be like a drop in the ocean. Yes or no? हमारा ज्ञान ऐसा ही है जैसे सागर में बूंद. वो बात और है, हमारी बूंद में ही सागर है. और हमारी तो इसी में सुनामी भी आ जाती कई बार. क्यों? कितना ज्ञान है, कहाँ ले जाऊं इसको? अब इसी में से ही छींटे भी मार देते कई बार कि तुम भी दे दो थोड़े. One of my participants, when I asked the same question, ये कितना जानते होंगे? कह रहा जी 100%. I said, what do you mean by 100%? कह रहा जी 100% outside the circle. कह रहा जी हम तो अंदर हो ही नहीं सकते. तो मैं कह रही आपका मोती थोड़ा ज्यादा ही शांत हो गया, लेकिन जितना मर्जी काम जानते हो होंगे तो बोलेंगे अंदर ही. And as you rightly said, it is drop in the ocean, 0.00 something. But चलिए, let me help you to make you feel good. मान लो हम इतना जानते हैं. Happy? Or don't be too happy, we are assuming it. मान लो हम इतना जानते हैं. Now what is this knowledge? This is something about which you know and you know that you know. Example बताइए जल्दी से. ऐसा क्या है जो आप जानते हैं और आप जानते हैं कि आप जानते हैं? Quickly please. हाँ बोलिए बोलिए.
Swimming, driving.
हाँ, and you know that you know. A slightly bigger portion, K2. Now this is the area, these are the information about which I know that I don't know. जैसे आपने इंजीनियरिंग नहीं की तो आपको पता है कि आपको नहीं पता
How to fly a jumbo.
how to fly a jumbo. Very good. And now the whole race of acquiring more knowledge happens between these two places. What we really wish to do is we wish to expand K1 and reduce K2. This is what we wish to do. But here let me remind you, we only assumed these portions that big. They are actually two tiny dots. So now what is this which is left now?
Question of
That you don't.
I don't know, I don't know.
Very good. I do not know and do not even know what I do not know. Example बताओ.
अब पता ही नहीं चलता क्या उससे-
You can't even think of an example for this portion. Now understand. This is called blind spot. You got the point? This is called blind spot. You do not know and you do not even know what you do not know. So now tell me, how will you remove blind spots? Because you don't know.
By training, I know that I don't know. उसके बाद I know that I know that.
Simple thing. Seek feedback. You do not know that you do not know, but others may know. But others may know. Seek feedback.
Enrollment.
No, seek feedback and then implement upon it. Otherwise you don't know your blind spot. It's like bad breath. The person having bad breath may not know what is he doing to others. But somebody needs to tell this person. And it is, by the way, not just your weakness, even your strengths can be your blind spot. You may not know how much potential and strengths you have. Somebody else might know. But others are only going to give you feedback if you are a good listener. Please understand, friends, entrepreneurs must have a very good quality of communication, and that is listening, not speaking. You should be an amazing listener. Then people trust you. Then people like you. Then people will allow you to get connected with them. And let me tell you, friends, normally people are not good listeners. Maybe very good speakers, but not good listeners. श्रोता बहुत कम होते हैं, सोता ज्यादा होते हैं, कई सरोते होते हैं, और एक पंजाब में ही वर्ड है, कई खोते भी होते हैं। खोता कौन है? जिसको समझ तो आ गई है पर उसका कुछ करता नहीं है, वो खो देता है, उसको कहते हैं खोता। सोता कौन है? वो सुनता ही नहीं है। अच्छा, श्रोता कौन है? वो काटता ही रहता है। Shrota is the person who listens with open mindset. Now in this exercise that you just did, until and unless you are Shrota, you can't reach to a consensus. You can't. So, knowledge के आगे question mark लगा लो थोड़ा सा। थोड़ा मोती हैंडल करके भेज देना। आप क्या है? बनाया था? अब क्या बचा है? चलो सेट करते हैं एक्सपीरियंस। A scientific experiment was done by a scientist. Let me share it with you. A scientist put 5 monkeys in a cage with a ladder and some bananas at the top of it. अब आप मुझे बताइए, when there is a ladder, banana and monkeys, what would be the default response of monkeys? They would want to climb and have the banana. So the same thing happened. One monkey tried to climb the ladder. But the challenge was, the moment he touched the ladder, the other 4 monkeys were soaked with cold water. So now those monkeys who were being drenched, they realized that this monkey is doing some prank with us. So they all 4 beat him up. So he stopped climbing. Then the second one tried, met with the same implication. One by one, all 5 tried. And now all these 5 have been beaten up and drenched 4 times. They have become mature now. Now they don't touch the ladder. Now scientists made a change. इनमें से एक को बाहर निकाला और एक नया डाला। रोका नहीं, पीटा, क्योंकि वो आते सीढ़ी की तरफ जा रहा था। अच्छा, इसको ये भी नहीं पता नए वाले को कि मैं पिटा क्यों। कोई बता नहीं रहा, सीधा इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम हो गया। And this new monkey stopped touching the ladder. The scientist changed another one. एक और पुराना बाहर, दूसरा पुराना अंदर. अब जो दूसरा नया है वो तो नया है, और फिर लैडर की तरफ. तो अभी अभी जिसका इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम हुआ है वो मुस्कुराया कि जाओ इंडक्शन करा के आओ. और फिर जब उसका भी इंडक्शन हो गया, one by one all 5 were replaced. And the surprising result, these 5 have also beaten up each other. और इनमें से भीगा एक भी नहीं है. इनसे अगर कोई पूछे कि यार तुम क्यों पीटते हो एक दूसरे को, तो आपको नहीं लगता इनका यही जवाब होगा कि क्यों पीटते हैं हमें नहीं पता, पर यहां का सिस्टम यही है. Going as per the system. So lot of such systems also are in place at times which need some change, but because people do not have open mentality, they do not let it change. और जरूरी नहीं है कि जैसा पहले हुआ था वैसे ही आगे होगा. So your experience is what? What has happened? Not necessarily will be repeated in the future. So we need to keep an open mind. You were very, very successful because of certain habits, certain qualities.